Today we head into Argyle Waterfalls and we already bounce up a set of wild animals here.
Just take a breath, it's not the final episode. Come back inside and baby break it down slow. Crying and you really cannot hear all the words you say. You're so afraid and I know it's hard to comprehend. Don't turn the page, we don't know how the story ends. I'm trying and I really hope you're hearing all the words I say. Yeah. Everything comes and everything goes. Everything goes. We don't have the answers, God only knows. Hold on today, tomorrow will fall into place. Come a little closer, the more